Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You've updated Word, so sign into your Microsoft account now and save the document to OneDrive or SharePoint. This enables real-time sharing. Once saved, open the file and click the Share button in the top right. You'll see options to invite people or get a link. Choose who to send to and pick whether they can edit or only view. Start with one collaborator to confirm settings, because cloud-saved files enable automatic syncing and co-authoring as soon as you invite them. Once you click Share, you must decide permissions and link type. Choose Invite people to email directly or get link for wider distribution. Make sure to set Edit versus View according to intent and use link settings to add expiration dates, passwords, or restrict access to your organization only. If multiple people will edit, enable co-authoring and suggest using track changes so you can review edits later. After configuring, send the invite or copy the link to paste into a chat or calendar invite. Finish by confirming recipients received access, and you can see co-authors listed in Word. That proves syncing is working. Once done, remind collaborators to save frequently and use version history to restore any unwanted changes or recover earlier drafts. If someone reports they can't edit, make sure they're signed into the invited Microsoft account, that the permission is Edit, not View, and that the file isn't checked out or locked by another app. If problems persist, resend the invite or create a new sharing link.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.